Hello. We're going to be looking at 13 strange things. Okay. Weird, right? Let's start by searching the first one. Let's do well. Is that a... Monkeys and... Quite strange, right? Landlocked lips. Landlocked lips. Does that kind of look like lips? It's actually a heel. Do you think that looks like a... I don't even have to search for the next one is. Their airplane boneyard. I think I looked at this plane before. Yeet. Easy to find. Fort. A fort. No. I can't even remember the full name. Fort. Hey, doesn't those look like stars? Does this look like stars? It even has its own roads. Yeah, you're right. Desert breath. Desert. Desert breath. No, I said desert breath. Wow, just look at this artwork. What? This looks nice. Next up, the Baldlands Guardian. The Baldlands Guardian. Look at that face. Does that kind of look like a face? Okay, yeah, it does, right? And yeah, this looks nice. The grandfather. What? No. I wasn't pressing by accident. Let's do this. Great. Grand prismatics. Just look at this. That looks like a kind of like a hot spring rainbow, doesn't it? Comment down in the below if you think the Baldlad's Guardian looks like a face. If you think this looks like a rainbow. If you think the Boneyard is quite weird. If the desert breath looks weird, all those comment down below. Now let's go to the next one. Meteor crater. Meteor. Yes. It looks like a impact crater, right? This thing will probably last for millions of years. If this was on the moon, this would definitely be permanent. Probably. Especially that has no atmosphere, which means no winds. So, yeah. But on Earth, this thing would just last millions of years. Wow, just look. Heels. Potash evaporation. Potash evaporation parts. Okay, now they look. Wait a minute. Does that kind of look like a bird? And it's Darren Utah. Utah. Even though I never even been to the west half of the USA. Now we're just going to look at shipwrecks. Shipwreck. Iraq. Shipwreck. No, shipwreck near Iraq. Let me see again. Okay. That's Iraq. Tell me whenever you see a shipwreck. Okay, seems like there's none here. Probably 12. Sea monster. Okay. Probably 11 mysterious things. Notice no saddle. Saddle. No saddle. I guess 10 mysterious things, I guess. So the bloody lake. Bloody Bloody like Iraq. Come on. She's like bloody. No, I cannot. No. Little mysterious things. Bye.